Good morning. This is your girl coming to you from Ample Life. Follow me on Twitter. And today I hit up Publix and I got quite a few boxes of cereal. They have the Post cereal on sale. It's $3.25. Buy one get one free. And I had 50-cent coupons that doubled to $1. So every two boxes I got for $1.25 for every two boxes. So over here I got some. They had these two for $5. The Almond Breeze Blue Diamond milk for my husband, and then some regular milk, obviously, since I bought all that cereal. I got one green pepper, one onion, and I got several of these. What is their brand name is? I think it's Butani. And this is the fettuccine and the linguine. They had these buy one get one free, $2.29. And the reason that I have so many of these is because I was able to use a Publix coupon for $1 off and a manufacturer coupon for $1 off. So I was able to stack those and use $4 worth of coupons for a $2.29 transaction. So obviously I made a lot of overage off of that. And then they have the vitamins are back in the green flyer, and it's $3 off of any of these that are 120 count. So I was able to use the $3 off plus use a $1 off manufacturer coupon. So that gave me quite a bit of overage as well. I didn't pull all those out, but I have a nice amount of those. And then also for the El Paso products, they have a 50-cent coupon. They're at Publix for 78 cents, so it doubled up to $1, so that made me some overage too. So needless to say, I came home with $13.78. I was actually paid to shop today, no money spent out of pocket. And I got a bunch of vitamins. I got a bunch of pasta, all natural noodles to make fettuccine and linguine. I got some hamburger meat. I got 5 packs of taco seasoning. I got an onion, a green pepper, a gallon of milk, 2 half gallons of the soy milk, and I think at least 15 boxes of cereal. So, and they paid me $13.78. So follow me at Ample Life on Twitter, and happy savings.